Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your marketing with Klaviyo easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, visit the Klaviyo website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you'll see your overall performance metrics. To set up your first campaign, click on the Campaigns tab in the left-hand menu. Next, select the Create Campaign button. You will then be prompted to name your campaign. Choose a name that reflects the purpose of your campaign for easy identification later. After naming your campaign, select the email list you want to target. Now, click on Continue to Content. In the content editor, you can design your email. Use the drag and drop editor to add text, images, and buttons. Make sure to personalize the email content for your audience. To add personalization, click on the merge tag icon in the editor. Select the appropriate merge tags for names or other details. Next, you can preview your email by clicking the preview button. Verify that everything looks good before sending. Now, go back to the campaign settings. Here, you can choose your sending options. Select your desired sending time or opt for an immediate send. Once you've configured the settings, click Review and Send. Klaviyo will show you a summary of your campaign. Double-check all your settings and content. If everything looks correct, click Schedule Campaign or Send Now. Congratulations! You've successfully created your first marketing campaign with Klaviyo. Next, it's time to analyze the performance of your campaign. Return to the dashboard to view open rates and click Rates. Use this data to optimize future campaigns. Explore the automation feature next for more efficient marketing. Navigate to the Flows tab in the left menu. Here, you can create customer journeys based on their actions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.